In today's video, I'm going to teach you Guide with Google. We're focusing on how to quickly change your background in Google Meet so you look polished, protect your privacy, and keep distractions to a minimum. Start by heading to the Google Meet website in a modern browser like Chrome or Edge. Sign in if needed, and when your browser asks for camera and microphone access, go ahead and allow it so you can preview how you look. Good lighting helps any background look better, so face a light source if you can, and avoid bright lights directly behind you. On the preview screen, or once you're inside a meeting, look for the three vertical dots labeled More Options along the bottom toolbar. This menu is where Meet keeps most of its quick controls. Click it to open the list. From there, choose Background and Effects. On some versions it may read, Apply Visual Effects, but it's the same place. A panel will open, usually on the right, showing a preview of your video at the top and a gallery of effects beneath it. You'll see options like subtle blur, strong blur, preset images, and sometimes animated backgrounds. Now pick your preferred background. If you want a professional look with minimal strain on your device, the slight blur is a great choice because it keeps you in focus while softening anything behind you. The heavier blur gives even more privacy, but may use more processing power. If you choose a preset image, aim for something neutral and well lit so it doesn't compete with your face. If the option to upload your own image appears, you can add a branded or themed backdrop. Just keep it high resolution and avoid busy patterns. Note that some work or school accounts disable custom uploads, so if you don't see the option, that's expected. As you hover over each effect, you'll see your live preview update before you apply it, which helps you decide quickly. You can change your background anytime. If you want to switch mid-meeting, open the three dots again, return to Background and Effects, and choose something else. It won't interrupt your audio, but give it a second to apply. If your video seems laggy, step back to a simpler effect like the subtle blur. And remember, consistency looks professional. Pick one background that fits your tone and stick with it unless there's a good reason to change. That's it. By using Google Meet's background and effects, you can look prepared, protect your space, and adapt to any setting with just a couple of clicks.